In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group shapes in Lucidchart. Grouping shapes is a simple way to keep related items together so they move and resize as a single unit. It's perfect for flowchart sections, labeled icons, or any elements you want to keep aligned without accidentally nudging things out of place. First, open your browser and go to lucidchart.com. Once the site loads, head into your workspace so you can work with your diagrams. You'll be taken to the Lucidchart home screen where your files are listed and easy to access. Next, open a recent document. On the home page, look for the Recent section and click the document you want to edit. This brings you into the editor with your canvas, toolbar, and shapes ready to go. Give the page a moment to fully load so the right-click menu appears promptly when you need it. Now, select the two shapes you want to group. The easiest way is to click the first shape to highlight it, then hold Shift and click the second shape. You should see both shapes outlined, indicating they're selected together. If the shapes are close to each other, you can also click and drag a selection box around them to select both at once. If you accidentally grab extra items, just click in an empty space to clear the selection and try again. With both shapes selected, right-click with your mouse. If you're on a trackpad, perform a two-finger click. On some keyboards, pressing Control while clicking also opens the context menu. You should see a menu with options that apply to your selection. From that menu, click Group. As soon as you do, Lucidchart treats the shapes as one object. You'll notice a single bounding box around the group. Now, when you drag, rotate, or resize, both shapes stay perfectly aligned. You can still edit the text inside each shape by double-clicking it, and you can reposition items within the group if needed. If you prefer shortcuts, many setups support a group shortcut like Ctrl+G on Windows or Command+G on Mac. A quick tip: if you don't see the group option, double-check that multiple shapes are actually selected. The group command only appears when more than one object is highlighted. Also, if a shape is locked, unlock it first so it can be grouped. That's all there is to it. You went to lucidchart.com, opened a recent document, selected two shapes, right-clicked, and chose Group. Use this technique anytime you want to keep parts of your diagram tidy, consistent, and easy to manage.